Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular platform here called Zeerk, okay? And you're wondering, can you actually start doing micro jobs online and freelance services, all right? And can you really make 400 to $200 per job that you actually do? So let's take a look at Zeerk. Let's see whether it's legit. First of all, can you really make money from it? How much money can you really make? And this is quite a big income claim. Can you really make $200 from every job that you do for somebody online? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, go ahead and click on the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy online in order for you to do that if you would like. Okay. Now, I've been marketing online for 15 plus years. I have reviewed all sorts of different strategies to make online, lots of different websites like Zeerk, many different ways to make money online, free websites, surveys, GPT, different business models like MLM, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, courses, things like that. And some of them are great, and you can potentially make a lot of money online, but some of them are a bit of a waste of time. You can make very little money, and some of them are just straight up fake websites. So let's take a look at Zeerk to find out what this website is actually about, all right? Now, first of all, I want to say that Zeerk is a 100% legitimate freelance micro job platform. Okay, so it's very similar to websites like Fiverr. So Fiverr is a very, very big one. Fiverr is like kind of like the 600-pound gorilla of the freelance website, platforms out there. You can come on here. It was called Fiverr because they started off at jobs at $5, but now you can charge pretty much anything you want. Zeerk is very similar, but it's in a very, very young phase of what Fiverr used to be, okay? But in terms of what they offer, it's very similar. So if you are a freelancer, if you've got some sort of skill, maybe you want to come online and you want to offer your skill set to people on the internet and get paid for that, then you can do that. So if you look at the categories here, there's all sorts of categories like social media marketing. If you have any skills in Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, Tumblr, YouTube, Instagram, for example, right? You can offer your services on here and people will pay you to do something for them, right? Maybe you've got expertise in search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, link building, PBN links, local SEO, on-site optimization, right? You can do that. Maybe you're a writer, or maybe you like to write. You don't have to be a professional writer, but maybe you have these skills. Maybe you are good at writing resumes or cover letters, CVs, right? Translation, transcripts, web content, articles, blogs, right? Proofreading, okay, and editing. Yeah, simple proofreading, editing. Maybe reviews, right? Maybe in the business section, you're good at data entry, lead generation. You can become a virtual assistant. Anyone can become a virtual assistant, right? There's so many categories here. Look, audio and music, voiceovers, jingle, drop sound effects, video editing, animations, whiteboard videos, graphics. Maybe you're great at Photoshop or simple logo design, right? Programming. This is more complex. Software, gaming, lifestyle. So lots of different things that you can offer your services on here, right? So let me scroll down and show you some of the favorites right here. You can see here that there's all sorts of different jobs being offered out there, or you can, if you're a social media marketer, TikTok promotions, right? Use YouTube, Instagram. This is just to give you a few examples right here, right? Let's look at some of the other ones, like let's do a simple one that anyone can do, like a virtual assistant. Okay, let's see how much they're charging for the virtual assistant jobs, and maybe you can become a virtual assistant as well and offer your services on Zeerk, right? So you can see here, there's hourly rates. So there's an hourly rate, $20. There's a fixed rate here, right, of $100. It depends on the job. You have to click in and have a look, but no ratings here, right? Fixed rate, $20 right here. $30, $150, $4 hourly rate. It depends on where these people are based in the world. They'll offer different rates, right? But you can see that the only thing about Zeerk is that the usage is not super high, right? Because if you look at this, there's no ratings here, no ratings, right? No ratings at all. So, yes, you can offer your services, but the question of whether people will actually hire you on this website is a question, and we'll talk all about that later, the pros and cons of actually working on Zeerk, okay? So if you wanted to come on here and offer some of your services, right? It's very simple. You can be based anywhere in the world. You click on register right here. You'd fill out all your details. You'd enter it inside. You would go to your job. You would enter the title of your job, the description, how much are you going to charge? Is it hourly? Is it fixed? Is it by project, right? That kind of thing. And then you would choose your category, and then of course you have to put your thumbnail. And it's very important to put a nice, attractive thumbnail so that people will actually be attracted to what you have to offer, and they will hire you and work with you, right? And then once you finish your job, what will happen is the client will pay Zeerk, and then once the job is finished, then Zeerk will pay you, all right? And they keep 10% as a service fee. That's how they make their money. 10% is very reasonable for a freelance website. You know, you can't expect to do it for free. But the great news is that you can register for free, you can post as many jobs for free. And the nice thing about Zeerk is that because it's fairly new, right? It's not as competitive as, say, some websites like Fiverr, okay? So if you were to come to Fiverr, even though Fiverr is a great website, I've spent a lot of money on Fiverr hiring freelancers to do all sorts of different things, logo designs, SEO, podcast introductions, things like that, right? The problem with Fiverr and websites like Fiverr is because this is like the 600-pound gorilla of the freelance world, right? It's very difficult for you to get high postings. So even if you have a skill set like, whatever it is, like, logo design or stuff like that, the chances that someone is going to pick you is very slim because you're going to get drowned in all of the freelancers that design logos, right? But because Zeerk is quite new, it's quite easy for you to rank high on a particular category. So let's just say you are a writer and you want to write article and blogs and you want to offer that job on Zeerk. Because it's still a fairly new platform, okay? You will probably be able to rank pretty high up here, okay? And you can see here that because there's, none of these guys have had any reviews. It just tells me that not as many people use this platform currently, but that doesn't mean that people won't be using it, in the near future, if that makes sense. Okay, so you still have a chance of actually picking up jobs here and building a reputation on Zeerk. Because what's the point of doing a freelance job or going on a freelance platform if you can't pick up a job, right? If it's too competitive, like Fiverr, for example, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to actually get people to want to work with you or get jobs, right? Does that make sense? Okay, so if I come to the main page here, you can see that people are using the platform and people are reviewing it, right? So on some of the more popular ones, like the featured ones, right? You can see this person's been reviewed twice. This one's reviewed once, 8 times here, right? Reviewed twice, 4 times. Okay, twice, 34 times. So this one is pretty popular. Rocks was reviewed 34 times for this SoundCloud, play marketing. Okay, and you can see that the average price that freelancers charge is between $5 and $20. We have seen some examples of someone charging, $150, $200, that kind of thing, but those are much, much bigger jobs, and the chances that you will get someone to hire you for that is, I think, a lot less because it's still quite a new platform, all right? So if you want to come on here, you do have to offer, I would say, a micro gig, okay? Something, so they start at a minimum of $4, right? But a lot of people charge, as you've seen, $5, $10, $20 for one particular job, and you can do the same thing as well, right? Yes, you can charge $150 and $200, but the chances that you'll pick up that kind of job is very, very rare. All right, so there's some pros and cons with Zeerk. I would say that it's a very young freelance website. If you check out their who is here, right? They were actually registered in 2010, so a long time ago, but they were only updated in 2022. So very, very recently, right? So it's a very new, I would say they're only starting to push themselves, now. Roughly they get about 40,000 visits per month. Okay, websites visits per month, so that's not bad. It's not huge, it's not small, but it's quite a young website. If you compare Zeerk to some of the other ones like Fiverr, this is nothing compared to how much traffic Fiverr gets, right? But on the flip side, it allows you to maybe come on here and actually pick up some jobs, even though initially you might not get that many jobs because there aren't so many people coming onto the website to look for freelancers to do work for them. So it's kind of like, a chicken and egg thing, right? You might get some jobs because you might, rank pretty high, but at the same time, there aren't that many people coming to the website to hire people for the jobs, right? But then on websites like Fiverr, this will be too competitive for you to even get any jobs right now. You would have to really learn how to get your listings ranked high on Fiverr, and that's quite a challenging thing to do, okay? Also, Zeerk doesn't take that much, from you as a freelancer, only 10%, which is very reasonable, all right? So if you want to check out Zeerk, it's a pretty cool way, I think, to come on here, get some micro jobs, offer your services freelance, 100% virtual. You're not going to make a ton of money. I think you'll make a little bit of money to begin with, but it is a legit website. It's a legit freelance platform that you can get started on and earn some virtual income and virtual money for yourself. Okay, so you can check it out at Zeerk.com. Now, the one thing that I want you to remember if you are watching this review is that a freelance job is still a job. Right? Even though you're not working in a physical office and you can work virtually from anywhere in the world, which is great, it's one step closer to freedom. You still have to understand that it is, regardless, still a job. Because if you're not delivering your services, if people aren't hiring you, you don't get paid. Okay, so there's no automation, there's no leverage, there's nothing like that, right? And if you're watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make more money online, and the internet's a great place to create a lot of leverage. Listen, I mean, we're on the internet right now. You're watching this on YouTube, right? You should be able to create leverage, automation, and take advantage of the global marketplace and make even more money than these little bits of chump change right here. Now, even though this can add up over a period of time, $5 and $20 can add up if you're getting a lot of jobs, but you're still gonna have to work 8 hours a day, which kind of sucks, right? Now, what if you could work 1 or 2 hours a day, create leverage using technology, software, and tools, and make hundreds of dollars a day instead of just a couple of bucks a day? That would be pretty cool, right? So I found a way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, and you can create a lot of automation and leverage. If you would like to learn that strategy, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Zeerk, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.